All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing, but you can tell by the title of the video, we're going to be talking about none other than Book of Meme. Appreciate each and every one of you guys for showing tremendous amount of love on these updates. If you want to continue to see these updates, of course, like the video and hit that red subscribe button if you have not already done so. But let's get right into it. So I'm sure everyone, if you don't know what's happening with the crypto space, come on. The crypto space has been absolutely killing it, and I'm not sure if it's a coincidence that Crypto ZX is back on track. Pretty much, again, I'm just messing around, but what a coincidence, right? Because as soon as I came back on schedule, you started to see the market picking up once again. So, am I the lucky charm? Who knows? But we're seeing a great week. Bitcoin made its way back above 70K. Obviously, that was really nice to see. But obviously, we know that Book of Meme has not entered the top 100 as of now. So let's take a look at what's happening. So if we're looking at Book of Meme, it's up 5.3% on the daily time frame, and on the weekly time frame, it's up 23.8%. So let's not forget that if you do have Book of Meme in your portfolios. But let's take a closer look and see what is happening, and of course, what is yet to come. But before I do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer for everyone: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So looking at the price of Book of Meme, currently sitting at 1.27 cents. As mentioned, up about 5.2% over the past 24 hours in USD comparative, also up 6.5% in Bitcoin comparative. Market cap is trying to get its way back above that $1 billion mark. But remember, if you've been following this channel, if you know what are some of the price targets, there's a specific hurdle that's coming in the way of Book of Meme, despite the fact that we have seen a great momentum shift in the overall market. But that same hurdle for Book of Meme specifically is still coming in our way, and of course we need to get past that in order for things to turn around, and of course for us to get back above $1 billion mark. But let's take a closer look. So if you're looking at the 24-hour trading volume, about 324.9 million, not bad. If you're comparing Book of Meme's performance compared to some of the other big boys, it's performing like you would expect it to be. Obviously you're seeing the overall meme coin market seeing a huge comeback. We're talking about $62 billion in terms of market cap, and we're approaching yearly high levels for the market cap combined, because obviously we haven't seen Dogecoin and Shiba Inu hit those massive yearly highs that it has done so this year. So of course, remember, these two make a huge chunk of the overall market. If you want to put that into perspective, let me actually put that into perspective for you guys so you understand what I'm saying. So 24.2 plus 15.1, so roughly 40 billion. So let's just put this into perspective. Just these two coins make up more than 50% of the entire market cap. So the entire money that is just solely in meme coins are 60% plus is just solely in these two. So of course, we need to keep that factor in mind, but a lot of other coins have been popping off, and Book of Meme is performing as you would want it to be. So great on that. Love that stuff. So let's take a closer look, because of course everyone is here for the price. Crypto ZX, when is it going to break the all-time highs? That is where everyone has their eyes on. All-time high. When is it going to break all-time high? When is it going to start heading towards Dog with Hats level, Pepe's levels? And of course, time is going to tell. But there's a lot of competition. But the unique characteristic of Bome, you guys know that, and of course the NFT connection, the developer, the engagement, unique stuff definitely. And of course, let's not forget being listed on all the major exchanges pretty much in the crypto space in terms of centralized exchanges on the day of launch speaks for itself. And Binance owns more than 50% of its entire supply. And these are some factors a lot of people ignore, but I don't ignore those. So Book of Meme right now, in terms of obviously competitors, the Solana meme coins, it's ranked third largest in the market cap alone. Obviously, Bonk is about double, a little slightly double than its market cap of Bome. But who knows if we're going to see that battle or not. But so far, so good. I'm liking what I'm seeing. But let's discuss the price, because, price is everything at the end of the day, and that speaks a lot. So what you're seeing right now with Bitcoin dominance is, Bitcoin dominance has gone down. A great sign for, coins, altcoins, meme coins. And, we're seeing that happening with meme coins specifically. BTC right now having a little bit of a minor pullback, totally fine, totally okay for it to have a little bit of a cool off, after having such a significant rally. But that's what's happening with Bitcoin and Bitcoin dominance. But dominance index is what is really exciting me right now, especially when you do see a little bit of a minor pullback in Bitcoin as well. Dominance usually tends to go up a little bit, but you're starting to see dominance falling down. So could this be a hint that we're about to enter an altcoin season that a lot of people are anticipating? Possibly. But let's take a look at Bome chart. So going back to our updates, the updates that I've been talking about, the ones that I have done in the past, there's one specific price target we're talking about. The hurdle that I talked to you guys about at the earlier in this video, which was around this 1302 zone. So 0.01302 resistance, an extremely important resistance. And I'm sure if you guys are looking at the charts right now, you guys are visualizing this and understanding the fact that this resistance is no joke, because you can clearly see this. We did actually end up retesting this, but we're seeing a rejection. We also retested this May 16th, about a week back, and again a rejection. So Bome is showing strength, definitely showing strength with the overall market, but you need Bome to break out of this key resistance and actually turn this into support. If it's able to do that, I'm very optimistic we could be reaching this 0.015 cents as the next target. I think that's a realistic target to be looking out for. But what I want you guys to be focusing on is that this pattern that we're seeing after seeing this massive pullback, this pattern is beautiful, believe it or not. And if you want to know what I'm talking about, you're seeing this upwards trend forming. This upwards trend formation clearly indicating that we're in a reversal. We're noticing pretty much higher highs, higher lows happening for the price of Bome right now on the hourly time frame, and that's a clear indication that the price is in an upward trend. So main target that you want to be taking a look at right now, where your eyes should be glued, is at this resistance, and then we'll take it from there. I really think that once it breaks out of this key resistance, because last time we were actually above this key resistance actually dates back to April 10th. So over a month now, and if we're able to get past this, I think things could start getting exciting. But at the end of the day, only time is going to tell. Do let me know down below where you think Bome stands. As far as Solana meme coins go, where do you see Bome ranking as far as Solana meme coins go at the end of this year, at the end of 2024? December 31st. Where do you see a Book of Meme compared to Dog with Hat, Bonk? And of course, Bome already, we're not going to talk about that because we're talking about that right now. And of course, Shiba Inu and Pepe. Where do you see it ranking? I want to know from you guys. Of course, this is a discussion at the end of the day. Really interesting to find out what you guys think. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.